The unyielding will of Henry Ford. Henry Ford, a titan of industry, made a decision. He would build an engine with all 8 cylinders, cast in a single block, a V8. He gathered his most brilliant engineers and laid out his vision. They were the best in the world, but they were unanimous in their verdict. It's impossible. "Produce it anyway," Ford commanded. The instruction was not a suggestion. It was an absolute. The engineers, bound by their respect for the man and their contracts, returned to their workshops. They were masters of the possible, but now they were tasked with the impossible. For 6 months they toiled. Every principle of engineering, every known method of casting, was applied and found wanting. They poured their genius into the problem, but the problem refused to yield. The laws of physics, it seemed, were not on Mr. Ford's side. A year passed. The engineers reported their failure once more. "We have tried everything," they explained. "We have proven it cannot be done." Ford's reply was as simple as it was unshakable. "Go right ahead. I want it, and I'll have it." His words were not born of ignorance, but of a profound understanding of a higher law. A decision, once made with absolute faith, has the power to bend reality to its will. The engineers went back to work, not because they believed in the engine, but because they believed in the man. They were no longer just building an engine, they were wrestling with the very concept of impossibility. The factory hummed with their relentless effort, a testament to the power of one man's definite chief aim being transmitted to the minds of others. And then, as if by magic, the secret was discovered. It was not a grand revelation, but a subtle shift in perspective, a minor adjustment in a process they had performed 1,000 times. The path that had been blocked for so long was suddenly, miraculously, clear. They raced to Ford's office, their faces alight with the thrill of discovery. They had not conquered the impossible. They had simply done what he had known could be done all along. Henry Ford looked upon the finished V8 engine, the physical manifestation of his persistence. He had not needed to know how it would be done. He only needed to know that it would be done. His unwavering decision had been the true blueprint. The story of the V8 is not about engineering, but about will. It serves as an eternal monument to a timeless truth. The starting point of all achievement is a burning desire, harnessed to a decision that knows no defeat.